Have you ever been so brave that you stood up for the truth even when everyone around you believed something different? Today, we're going to learn about one of the bravest prophets in history, Hazrat Ibrahim, peace be upon him. Get ready for an amazing adventure. Long, long ago, in the ancient city of Babylon, there lived a special boy named Ibrahim. While other children played with toys, young Ibrahim had big questions in his mind. He would look up at the beautiful stars twinkling in the night sky and wonder, who created all of this? In Ibrahim's city, people worshipped idols, statues made of stone and wood. They believed these statues had special powers. Ibrahim's own father, Azar, was a skilled craftsman who made these idols and sold them in the marketplace. But Ibrahim wasn't so sure about these statues. One day, young Ibrahim watched his father carving an idol from a piece of wood. He asked, "Father, how can this statue help people? You just made it with your own hands." But his father didn't like these questions. He told Ibrahim to stop asking such things. As Ibrahim grew older, his questions grew bigger. He thought to himself, these idols can't see, can't hear, and can't move. How can they be gods? There must be one true God who created everything, the sun, the moon, the stars, and all of us. Ibrahim knew he had to show his people the truth. So he came up with a brave plan. One day, when everyone in the city went to a big festival, Ibrahim stayed behind. He walked into the temple where all the idols were kept. His heart was beating fast, but he knew what he had to do. Ibrahim took an axe and smashed all the idols into pieces, except for the biggest one. Then, he placed the axe in the hands of the largest idol and quietly left the temple. What do you think happened next? We'll find out in part 2 of our story. Don't forget to like and subscribe to learn what happened when the people returned.